Exception handling is how you deal with the errors in your code, or as some like to refer to it as, exception handling is what happens when code goes wrong. So, what is exception handling? Well, as I've just said, it's the process of looking for and eventually fixing errors. There are what feels like an infinite number of ways we can have errors, but they can be grouped into just three types. The three types of errors that could occur in your code are syntax, logic, and runtime errors. Syntax, often called compilation error, and a logic error is often called a semantic error. A syntax error is an error in the code which prevents the code from running. Here's an example of this. In this code, we are missing the speech mark. This will confuse your IDE and prevent the program from running. A logic error is an error in your code's logic which produces undesired outcomes. The program will run, but it won't do what you want it to do. In this program, we are supposed to see the total of number 1 and number 2, but this program multiplies instead of adding. A runtime error is one which often uses up too much RAM. Eventually, it may lead to the program or computer crashing. Here's an example of a simple runtime error. As 0 will always be less than 25, the program will run forever. And that's everything you need to know about exception handling.